守护民众的健康来关心的是，这美国的卫生部是参国际年制品协会共同宣布，伫2028年之前，会渐渐来停用这冰淇淋当中的7种色素。这卫生部长是学了着民间业者的行动。
美国卫生部长小罗伯·甘乃迪甲农业部长罗林斯斗阵让零白色的冰淇淋食。根据统计，美国人每年平均食4加仑，差不多15公升的冰淇淋。为了让美国人用食到健康的冰淇淋，卫生部甲国际零制品协会10时共同开记者会，宣布伫2018年进前，会为冰淇淋甲零食点心内底添用7种食用人工色素。
This announcement today represents over 40 individual ice cream companies. It's the single largest effort of its kind, and it's efforts like this that demonstrate how our dairy industry is different.
同时，美国食品药物管理局也宣布批准一种叫做基质内天然色素，这是 FDA 过去2个月来批准的第4种天然色素。虽然目前还无正式协议或者是立法禁止这人工的色素，不过小罗伯·甘乃迪表示，政府部门甲食品业已经达成互相理解，同意删掉这色素。
We now have about 35% of American food industry that has made commitments, and that's addition between 35 and 40%. And that is in addition to the 35% of the food industry that was already organic and healthy and chemical free.
为小罗伯·甘乃迪就任以来，包含卡夫亨氏、通用魔方、雀巢、泰森食品等真济间食品公司，拢承诺伫未来几年内，为食品内底去除所有食用人工色素。甘乃迪也表示，未来几个月，农业部甲卫生部拢会发布新的饮食指南。公司新闻陈慧珍报道。